Right, okay, so the white metal paint is all on. We've covered all of the red oxide primer. It no longer looks like someone's been massacred inside the van. All the red's gone. So all of the primer, all of the bare metal, it's all been covered, protected. That's all we want. Like I said, it doesn't have to look pretty. In some places it doesn't, to be fair, but it's doing the job. It's protecting, and that's what it's all about. So the next job we've got to do is put some sound deadening in. So we're going to use this dodo mat to put on the sides, on the roof, on the floor. We're going to put some on the wheel arches. We're going to stop it sounding so tinny, and yeah, that's the next job. So let's crack on. Right, so what we do with this stuff, take the backing off. It's self-adhesive. And then we'll put this on the middle of this panel here. You don't need a lot. And then just using one of these old wallpaper rollers. Just roll it on. Make sure you've got a good stick on there. It's stuck well. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Right, so just to demonstrate what this actually does, if you listen to this, it's quite dead compared to, so. What it does, it adds mass to the panel, it lowers the frequency of the vibration, deadens the sound so that it stops so much vibration, makes it a little bit quieter, does a good job. So. Okay, so we've done all the sound deadening, we've done some of the walls, we haven't done them all. We've left this one here because we've got a window going in there for the bedroom. We've got a big window going in there, and same with the door, so we haven't done that. But we've done all the roof, we've done along the top of the walls, we've done the flooring as well. I've also wrapped the arches, if you can see that, there we go. Wrap the arches, that will form part of the vapour barrier as well as the insulation and the sound deadening for that. So what I've done with the wheel arch, I've wrapped it in a 7mm closed cell foam. That will help to absorb any noise coming through from the road, anything being thrown up into the wheel arches. It's self-adhesive, so very easy to apply. Just peel it back and mould it to the shape of the wheel arch. It's foil faced as well, so that will also help to form part of the vapour barrier. This will be taped onto the insulation on the sidewall and on the flooring once that's down. So to frame up the subfloor, I'm going to be using these 2x1 inch roofing battens. This is treated timber. Got this from a local timber merchant, £1 a metre. A lot cheaper than Wicks or B&Q, so always worth shopping around. I'm just going to cut these up and start framing. Okay, so all the battens are glued and set in place. So all the framing's done. What we're going to do now, we're going to get some Kingspan. We've got 25mm Kingspan. This is going to go in between all the battens. This will form our insulation for the floor and part of the vapour barrier. So, time to get cutting. Like a glove. Should. A little bit taken off. Okay, so that's the first row done. Bit. Okay, well finally we've got the Kingspan down. We've got it all taped up, all the aluminium tape, got a complete vapour barrier across the floor. We've got a bit behind the front seats to do. We can't do that until I get the new passenger swivel seat, the single one, because the double base sticks out further, comes back further, so I want to wait until I've got the single base in and then I can board right up to the base. And just got to sort out this other back bit here, see what we can do with this, and then we're ready for boarding. Right, so we're doing the ply floor. We've got 12mm ply, so it's something nice and thick and sturdy. something thick enough to screw the units and the walls and things into as well. Got this from a local timber merchant, a lot cheaper than them B&Q and Wicks, so always have a look around for the prices. Just doing the back first. I've already cut out one pillar, and we've just got the other pillar to do. So, get cracking. Right, so we've done the first bit of ply for the left hand side of the van. We're going to use it as a template for the right hand side. That dipped in slightly, didn't it? So put that down a little bit. Right, so what I'm doing at the moment is just marking up on the boards where the battens lay underneath, so that we know that when we come to screw the walls, the units into the floor, we know we've got something solid and where they are to screw into. So that's it. We've now got an insulated floor. All the pliers down, all screwed in and secure. Job done. Please do give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't. All means a lot to us. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.